Howdy, howdy, howdy. I got a good one for you today. I got the Ruger RPR with the ER Shaw match barrel and the Arkin 6-24. I've got targets set up at 25 yards. I'm going to shoot a 10-shot group, and then I'm going to move out to 45 yards on the KYL just to see what the practical accuracy is. It's a little windy today. It's about 68 degrees today. A little wind. Let's see what we got. I'm going to be shooting RWS Rifle match, and let's see what happens. All right. 10-shot group, 25 yards. RWS Rifle match. All right, that's 10 shots at 25 yards. Now I'm going to move over to the KYL rack at 45 yards using the same ammunition. RWS rifle match out of the old Ruger RPR. Going to do from the big target to the small target, from left to right, starting with the 2-inch. All right, KYL 45 yards. Whoa, where'd that go? All right. Got it done. If you would like, share, and subscribe, and you'd like to see more of this content, hang around and come back. Come calling again. I appreciate your time. As I said, like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what ammunition you would like to see in this. It's not really it's a practical accuracy test. It's not, a highfalutin accuracy test. It's only 25 yards, and then I'm out to 45 yards with the KYL. So that works for monitor squirrel, groundhog, maybe some birds. So that's all I'm doing. This is probably not the ammunition that the average guy would buy at the Walmart, but I am going to do this deal here with the CCI standard velocity and the federal auto match. So, all right, stay tuned. Thank you.